All right, today I'm going to show you guys how to sharpen your own lawnmower blades. Super simple, easy concept to do. Don't need to take it to a place to have them put it on a machine to do it. You can do this at home. Get yourself a flat file, get yourself a nice sturdy table, use your palm, have the lip just right over the edge, push down. Then we're just going to start at a kind of the same angle. And we're going to go all the way down. And we're going to tap our file out, flip it over. Takes a little bit of work.